The automatic welding line. These are two large welding lines. We are building for our customer. These two welding lines consists of 19 sets of Yaskawa robots. "26 sets of welding fixture, and a total of 14 workstations. The scheduled annual production capacity is 825,000 sets per year for each welding line. With a cycle time 23.09 seconds per piece of part. The main process include spot welding, nut projection welding, gluing, and equipped with automated visual inspection. The standard components we used for this project include Yaskawa robots, turntables, Graco glue applicators, WTC welding controllers, centerline welding guns, Tunker conveyor lines, Dengensha nut conveyor lines, ABPLC control systems, PLIS safety protection systems, and other well-known standard parts. We complete this whole welding line, from design to manufacturing, and commission at TTM. After all of the commission jobs complete here, we will disassemble and restore it at customer plant. Our professional team will be responsible for commission services at the customer end, so that our customers have no concerns about after sales.